Hare Krishna. I want to show you how to make jackfruit chicken tacos. Don't worry, this recipe is totally vegetarian. There's no need to kill any animals to prepare it. The main ingredient you'll need is a firm, green, unripe jackfruit. To get started, you will first need to oil down all the tools you'll be using to cut the jackfruit. Oil down the surface area, the knife, your hands, the pressure cooker, everything really well. This step is really important because raw jackfruit contains a really sticky gum that is a nightmare to clean off. Next, chop up your jackfruit into large chunks. Then, immediately place them into the oiled pot. Then, add water until the jackfruit begins to float. Place the lid on and turn the flame to high. After you hear the whistle or steam, reduce your flame to low and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the jackfruit will be nice and soft but not fully cooked. Cut the rind off and remove the hard inner core of the jackfruit. Then, chop the remaining meat into smaller pieces. Now we are ready to continue cooking the jackfruit. Add a few tablespoons of oil to a large cast iron skillet. You can use any of your favorite spices. Today, we're using freshly minced ginger, toasted cumin powder, salt, and pepper. First, add your wet spices, then add the jackfruit chunks, and then all the remaining dry spices. Make sure your flame is on high so that you can get that nice, seared, crunchy texture. Keep stirring and flipping the jackfruit every 5 minutes. You'll know when it's ready when it is nicely browned and perfectly crispy. Prepare your offering to Krishna with tulsi and afterwards enjoy this most delicious prasadam. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.